Hi everyone, this is Dr. G. Valmati, Head and Associate Professor of Commerce, Vidyasagar Women's College, Chengalpet. I am here to explain about the classification of caste. Caste are classified on the basis of nature or element, functions, direct and indirect, on the basis of variability, on the basis of controllability, and on the basis of normality. Now I am going to explain one by one. On the basis of nature or element, the costs are divided into three categories: material cost, labor cost, and expenses. This classification is very much essential to determine the total cost. Second one, on the basis of functions, the costs are classified into production cost, selling cost, distribution cost, research cost, conversion cost, and so on. Production cost is nothing but which is related to the supplying of materials, labor and services and ends with primary packing of the product. Selling cost is nothing but which is incurred to promote and stimulate demand and getting orders for the concerned product. And then distribution cost, it comprises the cost of storage of finished goods meant for sale and their ultimate delivery to customers. After production and before sale, the product are kept in the warehouse for safety purpose. The cost incurred for this will be coming under distribution cost. The next one is administrative cost. This cost is not directly related to production, selling and distribution, research and development activity, etc. The cost involved in formulating the policy, directing the organization and controlling the operations of an organization is called as administrative cost. Then research cost, it is involved for the purpose of new or improved product, new application of materials or new or improved methods for producing the products. Then development cost, the cost of the process which begins with the implementation of the decision to produce a new product and ends with the commencement of a formal production of the same product. Pre-production cost, that is nothing but cost involved before the production of a particular product. Then conversion cost, this is nothing but cost of converting the direct material into partly or fully paid finished goods. Then the costs are classified on the basis of direct and indirect cost. Direct costs are those costs which are directly related either to the cost center or to the cost unit. Then indirect cost, as the name specified, the costs are not directly related to any cost center or any cost unit. Then on the basis of variability, costs are divided into three types: fixed cost, variable cost and semi-variable cost. Fixed costs are those costs which are standard throughout the production of the product. That is, at all levels of production, the cost remains constant. Then variable cost, cost which tends to vary directly with the volume of output. If the volume of output increased, the variable cost may also increase. If the volume of output decreases, the variable cost will also decrease. Then semi-variable cost, these costs are partly fixed and partly variable. Then on the basis of controllability, the costs are divided into two: controllable and uncontrollable costs. Controllable costs are those costs which are controlled by taking the action by a specified member of an undertaking. Uncontrollable costs are those costs which cannot be influenced by the action of a specified member of an undertaking. Finally, the costs are classified on the basis of normality, normal cost and abnormal cost. Normal cost is the cost which is normally incurred at a given level of output which cannot be avoidable. Then abnormal cost, it is the cost which is not normally incurred at a given level of output. For example, accidents, products are lost due to accident or fire. These are all comes under abnormal cost. If we have taken care, this cost can be minimized. Thank you.